first evidence of multi-species dinosaur herding discovered. Paleontologists unveil groundbreaking evidence of multi-species dinosaur herding. In a remarkable discovery, paleontologists have uncovered the ancient footprints of a herd dominated by ceratopsian dinosaurs, dating back 76 million years in Dinosaur Provincial Park, located in Alberta, Canada. This finding marks the first documented instance of mixed species herding behavior among dinosaurs. Akin to the way modern wildebeests and zebras coexist and travel together across the African savanna. Imagine a scene where a group of ceratopsians, specifically Styracosaurus albertensis, strolls through an ancient riverbed, accompanied by an ankylosaur known as Euplocephalus tutus, all while being observed by two formidable tyrannosaurs, Gorgosaurus libratus. This vivid imagery, captured by artist Julius Catoni, brings to life the dynamics of these prehistoric creatures. Dinosaur Provincial Park is renowned as one of the most significant sites globally for studying late Cretaceous terrestrial ecosystems. Over the years, the park has yielded an impressive collection of dinosaur skeletons, along with countless bones and teeth, establishing it as a crucial location for understanding various aspects of dinosaur evolution, behavior, biostratigraphy, and paleoecology. Despite the wealth of skeletal remains found in the park, actual dinosaur footprints and trackways are surprisingly scarce. Dr. Phil Bell from the University of New England and his team made a significant breakthrough in 2024 when they discovered a new track site, dubbed the Skyline Track Site. This site features typical, natural mold tracks that had not been previously identified in the park. At this site, the researchers uncovered 13 distinct ceratopsian tracks, indicating that at least 5 of these horned dinosaurs were walking side by side, with a probable ankylosaurid moving among them. To their astonishment, they also found tracks from 2 large tyrannosaurs that were walking alongside and perpendicular to the herd. This intriguing arrangement suggests that the mixed species herding behavior might have served as a defensive tactic against common apex predators. Additionally, a footprint from a smaller carnivorous dinosaur was also discovered, adding to the complexity of the site. The images of the Skyline Track Site, both shortly after its discovery and following excavation, provide a glimpse into this fascinating find. Dr. Bell, who has spent nearly 2 decades collecting dinosaur bones in Dinosaur Provincial Park, admitted, "I had never really considered footprints before this. The rock formation resembled mud that had been squeezed between toes, which piqued my curiosity immediately." He further noted, "The tyrannosaur tracks suggest they were closely monitoring the herd, which is a rather unsettling thought, though we cannot confirm if they actually encountered each other." Dr. Brian Pickles from the University of Reading expressed his excitement, stating, "Walking in the footsteps of dinosaurs 76 million years after they were made was an exhilarating experience. With the new search images for these footprints, we have been able to identify several additional track sites within the park's diverse terrain, which I believe will reveal even more about how these captivating creatures interacted and behaved in their natural habitats." Dr. Caleb Brown from the Royal Tyrrell Museum of Paleontology emphasized the significance of this discovery, saying, "This finding illustrates just how much remains to be explored in the field of dinosaur paleontology." Dinosaur Park is one of the most thoroughly studied dinosaur assemblages in the world, with over a century of dedicated research. Yet we are only now beginning to grasp its full potential regarding dinosaur trackways. This groundbreaking discovery is detailed in a research paper published in the journal PLOS ONE. What do you think about the implications of this discovery? Could it change our understanding of dinosaur behavior? Share your thoughts in the comments below. A reference, P.R. Bell et al., 2025. A ceratopsid-dominated track site from the Dinosaur Park Formation, Campanian, at Dinosaur Provincial Park, Alberta, Canada. PLOS ONE, 27, E0324913. DOI, 10.1371, Journal Pone, 0324913. Revealed. Dinosaurs formed multi-species herds. New fossil footprints unearthed. Imagine this. Dinosaurs, Those colossal beasts of the past, roaming the earth in massive mixed-species herds. It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel. But fossilized footprints tell a different story. Let's dive into this fascinating discovery and explore what it means for our understanding of the prehistoric world. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this change everything we thought we knew about dinosaur behavior? In the sprawling plains of Africa today, wildebeest and zebra form vast, multi-species herds. These aren't just random groupings of animals. Zoologists believe they band together for mutual defense against predators. But this behavior isn't unique to modern wildlife. Recent findings suggest that dinosaurs may have done the same thing millions of years ago. Picture this: a herd of dinosaurs, each species playing a role in a complex ecosystem. The discovery happened in Alberta, Canada, at the Dinosaur Provincial Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park has been a treasure trove for paleontologists since 1979, yielding countless fossilized remains. But until recently, footprints weren't a major focus of study. That all changed when a team of researchers, led by University of New England paleontologist Phil Bell, made an astonishing find. In July 2024, Bell and his international team were conducting a field course at the park. While exploring, they stumbled upon a set of at least 20 full and partial dinosaur footprints preserved in a section of sediment roughly 312 square feet in size. What made this discovery truly groundbreaking was the diversity of the prints. They didn't all belong to one type of dinosaur. Instead, they matched multiple different species. The team identified prints from at least 5 ceratopsian horned dinosaurs walking side by side, along with an ankylosaurid and a small, unidentified carnivorous species. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of this discovery are enormous. It was incredibly exciting to be walking in the footsteps of this discovery. Represents a major moment in paleontology, opening up new avenues for research and exploration. The team is already planning future expeditions to uncover more about how these fascinating creatures interacted and behaved in their natural environment. But here's a thought-provoking question for you. If dinosaurs did roam in multi-species herds, what does that tell us about their intelligence and social structures? Could this change our understanding of their behavior and evolution? And what about the implications for modern wildlife conservation? If we can learn from the past, perhaps we can better protect the diverse ecosystems of today. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a lively discussion on this fascinating topic. Rare dinosaur footprints reveal mixed species herding predator stalking in Canada. Imagine stepping back in time to a world where dinosaurs roamed the earth, and you stumble upon evidence of their social lives. That's exactly what happened in the Canadian Badlands, where a team of dinosaur hunters made a chilling discovery that could change our understanding of these ancient creatures. In July 2024, researchers uncovered a set of fossilized footprints at Dinosaur Provincial Park in Alberta, Canada, revealing the first evidence of mixed-species herding behavior in the area. Dinosaur Provincial Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich fossil deposits, is a rugged landscape that has yielded more than 50 species of dinosaurs over the past century. Despite the abundance of skeletal remains, dinosaur footprints and trackways are surprisingly rare. This makes the recent discovery at the Skyline track site all the more remarkable. Published in the journal PLOS ONE, the study details how the new track site shows several dinosaur species walking side by side around 76 million years ago. The researchers also found a second set of tracks running perpendicular to the herd, belonging to 2 large tyrannosaurs. This could suggest that apex predators were stalking the group, a thought that sends shivers down the spine, according to co-author Dr. Phil Bell from the University of New England. Discovering footprints at Dinosaur Provincial Park is no small feat. Over the years, paleontologists have collected dinosaur bones, but footprints have often been overlooked. Dr. Bell, who has been collecting dinosaur bones in the park for nearly 20 years, admits he never gave footprints much thought until he spotted a rim of rock that looked like squelched mud between toes. Intrigued, he and his team began the excavation process, using picks, trowels, and hammers to break up the mudstone, and corn brooms, paintbrushes, and dustpans to clean it. The team excavated 29 square meters of the rock surface. Their efforts revealed 13 ceratopsian horned dinosaur footprints from at least 5 animals walking together. An ankylosaurid, armored dinosaur, appeared to be moving within the ceratopsian group, and a single footprint of a small meat-eating dinosaur was also found. What really caught the team's attention were 2 large tyrannosaur footprints moving side by side, at right angles to the herd. This could indicate that the herd was moving together for protection from predators. Although more evidence is needed to confirm this behavior. Dr. Bell explains, the tyrannosaur tracks give the sense that they were really eyeing up the herd, which is a pretty chilling thought, but we don't know for certain whether they actually crossed paths. Co-author Dr. Brian Pipples from the University of Reading adds, "It was incredibly exciting to be walking in the footsteps of dinosaurs 76 million years after they laid them down." Using the new search images for these footprints, we have been able to discover several more track sites within the varied terrain of the park, which I am sure will tell us even more about how these fascinating creatures interacted with each other and behaved in their natural environment. This discovery not only adds to our understanding of dinosaur behavior, but also highlights the importance of preserving and studying these ancient footprints. As we continue to uncover more about these prehistoric creatures, we may find even more surprising insights into their lives and interactions. But here's where it gets controversial. Could the presence of these tyrannosaurs near the herd suggest a different kind of relationship between predators and prey? What if these apex predators were not always the hunters, but sometimes the hunted? This discovery opens up a new avenue of research and invites us to reconsider our assumptions about dinosaur behavior. What do you think? Could these tyrannosaurs have been stalking the herd, or were they perhaps part of a more complex ecosystem where roles were not so clearly defined? Share your thoughts in the comments below.